Good morning, Rangers. It is Monday morning, April 27. I'm back in the shop working on our little organizer here. It's a little before 7 right now. The sun is blasting into the shop, as you can see. It's amazing. I had a great day yesterday. The sun was awesome. I went out and shot some skeet with my new shotgun. Spent some time with the family, and so I am back at it trying to finish up our project here today, and we'll see how far we get. All right, so now we got to put that middle divider in. So I got it clamped up on all four sides, and so now I'm gonna get a measurement for inside here, and it looks like we're going just 16th over 18 here. Cut that down and get that dominoed, and see if we can't put this together. It's going in. Dry fit this together. So there she is, all clamped up. All the miters are in, dominoes are in. I think we're gonna drill a hole for that rod. So I took a Forstner bit, 1/4 inch, and I drilled a hole here and here. I found this old rod that I'm gonna use. So I measured that off. I need about 18 inches between. If I cut it about 20 and a half, should allow me to actually slide it in and be able to take the rod out if I need to after it's glued. So now we're going to go and we're going to cut this rod to size. There it is. The rod is in for the earrings, and this, so all the joints are together, ready to glue it up. So we're going to use some Gorilla Glue. It's a little bit stronger, gives me a little bit more time to put all these joints together and get them clamped in tight. And so I want to use Gorilla Glue. I like to damp one side of the joint down. I got a damp paper towel here. I want to get that damp, and then I'll take my brush, dip it in here, and apply it like such. All right, Rangers, so it's all clamped. That glue takes a little longer than our regular wood glue takes to dry, so I'll kind of keep my eye on it for the next half an hour while some of the glue oozes out so I can wipe that out. But then Wednesday when we take it out, we should be able to sand it up and put a finish on it and wrap this project up. We are signing off for Ranger Country. We'll see you guys soon. Rangers, one last thing I wanted to throw in here. There's a handful of you, small handful, not a lot, but there's some of you that I haven't heard from yet. So we got to make sure that I'm connecting with all you guys. I'm going to go through my list and send out some emails today for those that I haven't heard from. But if you're watching the videos, you're not filling out the form, just fill out the form, shoot me an email, let me know that you're out there, you're listening, and you're following along. Anyway, like I said, we will catch you guys soon.